Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about visualizing data in Pandas using the plot method. Okay, so what is plot? So plot is a Pandas method, like I said, used to quickly visualize data. So it uses Matplotlib behind the scenes to create charts like line, bar, and pie directly from your data. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into IPython, and I'm going to import pandas and matplotlib. So in Juniper Notebook, plots may display automatically, but in scripts you have to use the show method. So let's create a sample data frame. So I'm going to just copy and paste this line of code. So this is the table or data frame. And the first plot or chart that we're going to create is the default one, which is the line chart. So here it says plot cost over index. And there's a note here. So x-axis using the data frame index by default. So if I copy and paste this line of code, which creates the chart using pandas, and like we said, internally uses matplotlib, this actually creates the chart itself. And here, what we are doing is we are adding a title to that current plot or active plot. So let me copy and paste this line of code. And here, this is how you can display the chart. So matplotlib shows whatever was already created. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this. So this will create a chart. So this is the chart. So this is the cost and this is the index. So y-axis is the cost and x-axis is the index. Okay, so let me close this. So the next chart that we're going to talk about is the bar chart. So bar chart is very common. So here, total cost per device. So we are grouping the data using the device name and we are getting the sum of the cost per device. So let me copy and paste this line of code. And if I do device cost, so this is the data frame. Actually, let me see. I think this is a series, but let me verify cost. Yeah, it's a series. So meaning one column. So this is the data that we're going to use to create the bar chart. So the command is this. So device cost dot plot. So we're using the plot method, right? And we're specifying that the chart is bar. So make plots of series or data frame. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste this line of code. So again, this creates bar chart using pandas, which uses matplotlib internally. And here we are just adding a title to the plot or chart. And this is the title, total cost per device type. And here we're adding a label. So labels the axis, x-axis of the current plot. So that would be the device type. And the y-axis is total cost. And plt.show is how you show the chart. So we see that total cost is the y-axis and device type is the x-axis. And this is the title. So total cost per device type. And you can actually make this, yeah, like that. So you can see the whole thing. Okay, so that's the bar chart. And that's based on the device name, right? Now let's talk about another bar chart that get the total cost per site. So this is the command. So site cost. So this is a series. And we can verify that by doing site cost. It's a series. And now we are creating we have it here. So here we are creating the same chart or plot, which is bar. And I'm going to copy and paste this because we already talked about them. And this is how you display it, right? The active chart. If I enter that, so we get the total cost, which is the X level or X axis, right? Actually, Y label, that's the correct term. And the X label. So we get the Y label, we get the total cost for the Y label, and we get the site for the X label. And this is the title, total cost per site. So that's another way of creating a chart using the data. And here we are creating a pie chart. So we are grouping the data using the vendor column, and we are getting the cost of each vendor. Okay, so let me copy and paste that line of code and vendor. Yeah, so this is the sum of the cost per vendor. And let me just copy and paste this line of code. So auto PCT, so meaning this creates pie chart and shows percentage labels, and we add a title, and we're just removing the Y label for a cleaner look, and we display the chart. Yeah, so this is what we get after we enter that line of code. So it's a pie chart. Okay, so here we are just creating another bar chart. So this is the cost per device per site. So unstack method, this moves the site from rows into columns. So here, if I copy and paste this line of code without the unstack, this is what we get. But if I add the unstack method and do multi again, so we see that the site has been moved from rows into columns. And that's how you create a chart. So it's another bar chart. So yeah, this is the bar chart that we get from this line of code. Okay, so what are the key takeaways? So the plot method lets us visualize data directly in Pandas, and we can use bar, line, pie for different charts, and we can use the group by and plot, which are powerful for analysis. And we use the show method to display the chart, and of course Pandas handles the data, which also creates the chart, right? And internally uses matplotlib, and matplotlib itself handles the visualization, or that's how we modify the chart. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.